Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all very good and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today I am going to continue 12th mathematics. So exercise number 1.1. Question number 12, find the matrix A for which A into they given one matrix, that is 2 by 2 matrix in the first row 5 3, second row -1 -2, which is equal to 14 7, second row 7 7. From this they are asking find the missing matrix, that is A matrix. What is the value of A? Listen, in the solution given matrix A into 5 3 -1 -2 equal to 14 7 7 7. So let us consider AB equal to C. From this they are asking you to find only A. The left hand side A and B is there in the multiplication. So I want to eliminate this B. So how can you eliminate? If you want to take post multiply by B inverse, A into B inverse, this is equal to C into B inverse. All of you listen, take post multiply by B inverse. So already we know that B into B inverse is what? B into B inverse equal to identity matrix I. So if you want to multiply with I anything, you will get same number. Listen, A into I, you will get AI equal to C B inverse. From this A into I, this is equal to what? Only A will come, because this is identity matrix. If you want to multiply any matrix with identity matrix, you will get the same matrix. So A equal to C into B inverse. From this, so I know the B matrix, C matrix. C is what? That is 14 7 7. So B matrix 5 3 -1 -2. From this, first I want to find B inverse. To find B inverse, listen, B matrix equal to, B matrix is what? That is 5 3 -1 -2. 5 3 -1 -2. First find the determinant of B. So determinant of B, this is equal to 5 3 -1 -2. Listen to this, 5 into -2, what will come? -10. So minus to minus plus 3, this is plus 3. So plus 10, sorry, -10 plus 3 equal to -7. This is determinant of B. In the next step, listen, very simple, adjoint of B. Adjoint of B. For the B by B matrix, easily we can find the adjoint. So we should change the leading diagonal value and change the sign to the another diagonal value. This is applicable for only 2 by 2 matrix. Listen, so -2 here plus 5. Now I changed the leading diagonal value and change the sign to the another diagonal. So plus 3 is there. So -3 will come here, -1 there, plus 1. So this is adjoint of B. Now you find B inverse. B inverse, this is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. Adjoint of B. So what is the determinant of B? So determinant of B, this is equal to -7. So B inverse equal to 1 by -7 into adjoint of B is -2 -3 1 5. -2 -3 -2 -3 1 5. So this is adjoint of B. So now I have find B inverse. The next step, they are asking you to find A. A equal to C into B inverse. That is the formula. So A equal to C into B inverse. So what is the C matrix? That is the right hand side, because AB equal to C. That is we have considered that. So C equal to 14 7, second row 7 7. This is C matrix. Next, the B inverse matrix, that is 1 by -7 into minus 2, minus 3, 1, 5. Listen, 1 by minus 7 is common number. So, let us take out, otherwise multiply with any matrix within the any matrix element. Though I am going to multiply with this matrix by 1 by 7. So, 1 by minus 7 into, first you have to write this 14, 7, 7, 7. Listen dears, into minus 2, 3, 1, 5. Now multiply. So, in the first matrix there is 7 is common. So, 7 is having all the elements. So, I want to take out the 7 from the first matrix. 7 by minus 7 into, so 2 7s are 14, 2, 1, 1, 1. Listen, the second matrix minus 2, minus 3 should come. Therefore, second one minus 2, minus 3, 1, 5. Now, you take the matrix multiplication. 7, 7 will cancel, only minus in the outside, just keep out. Finally, we will take into the matrix. So, first row of the first matrix operated on the first column of the second matrix. So, first row multiply on first column, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, first row first column, and 1 into 1 plus 1, first row first column over. So, first row operated on second column of the second matrix. So, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So, 1 into 5 plus 5. So, second row operated on first column of second matrix. So, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So, 1 into 1 plus 1. Listen. So, second row operated on second column, 1 into minus 3, minus 3 plus 5 will come. 1 into 5 plus 5. Now, listen, minus is there. This minus just taken to the side. So, in the minus 4 plus 1 is there, minus 3 is the remaining value, minus 6 plus 5 minus 1, and minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is there. Now, you take this minus into the matrix, which is equal to, if you multiply by the minus, every elements will change the sign. Listen, plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2. So, this is required matrix, that is A matrix. Question number 13, given A which is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, 1 minus 2, 2, 0, B equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 1, and C equal to 1, 1, second row 2, 2. From this, find a matrix X such that A, X, B equal to C. Listen to this, this is not A into B, this is A into X into B equal to C. So, there are 3 matrices, A matrix, X matrix, B matrix. They are asking you to find X matrix. A, B, C matrices are given, only unknown matrix is what? X. We need to find the X matrix from this. Listen, in the solution, always first we need to write the given values. A matrix equal to, listen to this, 1 minus 1, 2, 0. So, B matrix, that is what? 3 minus 2, 1, 1. And C, the first row, 1, 1, 2, 2. So, A, B, C. From this, A into X into B equal to C. That is given condition such that A into X into B equal to C. Now, simply I am going to take pre-multiply by A and post-multiply by B, pre-multiply by A inverse and post-multiply by B inverse, because in the left hand side A, X, B, 3 matrices are there. They are asking you to find only X matrix. So, remaining A and B I want to omit. So, that is why I am taking multiply by A inverse and B inverse. Do you understand? So, post multiply, first pre-multiply by A inverse. So, how can you write pre-multiply by, isn't yes? Pre-multiply by A inverse. So, how can you write? A inverse into A X B equal to A inverse into C. This is, so A inverse into A, this is equal to I, identity matrix. So, identity matrix into X, what will come? Again X only will come. So, X B matrix is there, X B matrix, B in, sorry, X B, which is equal to listen, yes, very simple. Here A inverse into A equal to I. So, I into X, X will come because I is identity matrix. So, X B, this is equal to A inverse into C. In the left hand side, I want only X matrix. So, again I want to omit this B. So, take post multiply by B inverse. So, X B B inverse equal to A inverse into C into B inverse. Listen to this, very simple. So, B into B inverse is what? That is I, again we will get identity matrix. So, identity matrix into anything, anything will get. So, X only in the left hand side, X equal to A inverse into C into B inverse. Listen to this, to find X matrix, first we need to find A inverse and B inverse. They are given A matrix and B matrix, use it and find A inverse. To find A inverse, so determinant of A equal to, so the A matrix is what? 1 minus 1 2 0. From this, so take cross multiply. So, now determine these values. So, 1 into 0 0 minus plus 1 2 into 1 2. So, this is not equal to 0. If you get not equal to 0, A inverse exists here. So, adjoint of A in the 2 by 2 matrix, very simple. So, change the leading diagonal value and change the sign of another diagonal value. So, what are the leading diagonal? 1 0. So, 0 1. So, change the sign, plus 1 minus 2. So, this is adjoint of A. Next, A inverse, this is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Listen to this. So, very simple, determinant of A is what? 2, 1 by 2 into adjoint of A is 0 1 minus 2 1. So, this is A inverse. Next, I want to find B inverse. To find B inverse, first we have to find determinant of B. Determinant of B is what? That is 3 minus 2 1 1. Listen, now you simplify this, 3 into 1 3, take cross multiplication, minus and minus plus 2. So, 3 plus 2 5 is the determinant of B. This is not equal to 0, therefore, B inverse exists here. The next step, adjoint of B. Adjoint of B equal to, so very simple, change the leading diagonal values, that is 1 3 1 1 3. So, change the sign to the another diagonal, plus 2 minus 1. Do you understand? From B matrix I have done, listen, very simple. So, change the leading diagonal values, that is 3 1. So, 1 3 it will change, and change the sign to another diagonal, that is adjoint of B. So, B inverse equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So, determinant of B is what? That is 5, 1 by 5 into adjoint of B is 1 2 minus 1 3. Very simple, yes. So, this is B inverse. In the next step, listen, first to find X matrix, first we have to find A inverse into C, then multiply this matrix with the B inverse. So, first I am going to find A inverse into C. Listen, A inverse into C. What is the A inverse? That is 1 by 2 into, listen, yes, A inverse 1 by 2 into the matrix 0 1 0 1 minus 2 1 into C matrix is what? From the given question, C matrix is what? C equal to 1 1 2 2. Now, you multiply this values, very simple. So, first row multiply by first column, first row multiply on first column. So, 1 by 2 into, Listen, this first row operator on first column 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2 plus 2. So, first row first column over. So, again first row operator on second column of second matrix 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2 plus 2. Now, second row operator on first column of the second matrix, that is also very simple, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 1 into 2 plus 2. So, second row again operator on second column of second matrix. So, minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2, 1 into 2 plus 2. Listen to this, very simple, 1 by 2 into 2, 2, 0, 0. This is A inverse into C. To find x equal to A inverse into C into B inverse. So, with this values multiply by B inverse, 1 by 2 into 2, 2, 0, 0. Next is B inverse matrix. B inverse is what? That is 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 into 2 by 2 matrix, again 1, 2, from the second row minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3. Now you multiply. So, this 1 by 2 multiply with 1 by 5, it will changes 2 5s are 10. So, 1 by 10. Now, you multiply these two matrices, first row operator on first column of the second matrix. So, 2 into 2, sorry 2 into 1, 2. Listen, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So, first row first column over. So, first row operated on second column of the second matrix. So, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. 0 and anything 0, again 0, 0, again 0. Listen to this, very simple. So, 1 by 10 into 0, 10, 0, 0. Listen to this, this 1 by 10 multiply within the matrix with every element of the matrix. So, if you multiply, so 0 by 10 is 0, 10 by 10 is 1, 0 by 10 is 0, 0 by 10 is 0. So, this is the required X matrix. That is it. Dear students, below this video we have given study material, self-assessment question paper and a question bank and YouTube link PPT. So, go through it and write self-assessment test and send it to the school WhatsApp. Thank you.